Guys, welcome by a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a hoverboard in any map. As you can see, I'm now in forest.
Let's go all up here, come
You
on.
can just grab it.
Come on, all up here.
Grab it. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you how. First, you're gonna wander over to skate.
Bro, I didn't find
There's a lot of people doing it, so I'm gonna join a private group. And you may think, why is your name Lunar now? I did because I changed my name to Lunar because I thought it was way cooler, and I did not spell Lunar wrong. It's just yeah. So join the private group. Wait a second. As you can see, even in another game, you can still have it in a private code now. So, what you wanna do is grab, oh my god, grab your board, and you go there. You wanna go back in your circle, all the way back. You wanna do this. You wanna search the border. It's like, here's the border. You wanna go like here. And you wanna do this and walk forward. And it won't work every time. But when it works, grab it. Spend a lot of time to walk forward. And I have it now. As you can see, I'm now outside with my board, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and see you another time.